AJ with American Renovation. This is day 2. We're outbound to go pick up some supplies. Today we're gonna build a wall, so I'm gonna need to go to the local lumber store and pick up some 2x4s, some 4x4s, a 4x10 for the header, and let's get it done. So I'm here to pick out the lumber, and what I want to do is come to the area where the lumber I want is. So I'm looking for the 4x4 10 footers, and here they are right here. As you can see, there's a stack on top that are not lined up with the rest of it. These are commonly put on at the very end because these are the ones that weren't picked out. So try to avoid these guys and try to go inside. Let's take a look at this one. You know, take a look down the sight. You'll notice that this is fairly straight. I like the way it looks, I'm taking it. This pile right here is the pile that hasn't been used, so people have gone through it and sorted it out. What you want to do is avoid this pile. This pile will eventually make its way up to the top, and that's the pile I was talking about earlier. What you want to do is come to the pile of new lumber and pick out them using sight. Take a look at that. That's a good one. We're back from the lumber store. As you can see, the room is an open concept now. Most of the demo is complete. This wall right here was left up so that we can replicate the framing over here. We're gonna put the header, the post on the side. As you can see on the floor, we have the framing members. The only thing we gotta do is cut and nail. So what I wanna do is I wanna cut the bottom plate first. Tape measures reading almost 6 feet, roughly about 71 inches and 7/8. Let's get that cut right now. I'm gonna pull tape. 71, 7/8. So now that I got it measured to the length I want, I'm gonna use a speed square and mark it. If you're right-handed, you're going to use your left hand as a guide. As you can see, that's what my thumb is doing. So I got a green laser right here just to see how this plate lines up with the top corner of where my top plate's going to sit. And it looks like our cut is pretty good. So the only thing that I'm going to use the laser for is the top corner, which is going to be up here, to tell me exactly where the top plate's going to sit, just like I did on the left side. header is in, so here I'm going to explain to you what these cripples are doing. You're probably thinking, how come these don't look like they're 16 on center? Well, just so you know, these guys are actually sitting above the floor joist. And if you line it up from this angle and you look at this guy, this is landing on the center of that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm also going to pull my tape off of that 2x right there. And if you follow me and you see the 32 red, the 48 is a red box, the 64 is red box, the 80 is a red box, and you got your 96 red box. Those mean those are the 16 on center. The ones that I'm not getting the red box, again, those are sitting on the floor joist on the ceiling. As you can see, we have the open concept complete, removing this wall, so 90% of the demo is complete. The frame of this door is complete, and that brings us to a wrap of day 2.